Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm taking you for a nature walk. Yeah, you can see there's a river beside here. Oh, a bridge. Yeah, I think guys you can see it clearly. So guys, today we are going for a nature walk. You can see it's raining. Yeah, it's raining, but I'm trying my best. It's just drizzling, it's not raining too much. Yeah, so guys, you can see I'm taking you through the bridge. Yeah, so guys, you can see there's a river here, but the water is too dirty. But people always fetch the water for drinking, even for washing. Some people always take a bath here in the river, but you can see the water is very dirty. Yeah, so guys, I'm still heading. I'm going to pick up my friend, then we go together for the nature walk. Yeah, you can't go alone. No, it's good to have a good friend whom you can walk with, story tell with. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys you can see clearly. So you can see I still have a long way to go. Yeah, so let's walk. I'm going very far. Yeah, so guys, you can see here in the village they are very large. How can I call it? I mean there is a very big shambas. So guys, you can see, I don't know how we call this, a turkey. I think it's a turkey. Yeah, so guys, you can see, I don't know what they are eating. Yeah, but you can see they are eating something inside the shamba. Yeah, so guys, we are still walking. I'm heading to pick up my friend Naomi. Yeah, so guys, I'm still walking faster. Oh my god. I thought I'm lost. Yeah, I'm trying to hurry. There's rain coming. The rain is about to fall. Yeah, so guys, you can see I'm running. Oh, it's a bad day. It's not a day for it's not a day to go for a nature walk. I'm doomed. Guys, you can see I'm running. I didn't know it could rain, but let me try my best. I hope the rain will stop, then we'll go for a nature walk. No, it's a bad day. So guys, you can see there some vegetables. Yeah, I mean the sukuma wiki. Yeah, you can see there's some mangoes. Yeah, you can see people do plant here some napier grass for the cow. Yeah, I think guys you can see clear. Oh my god, it's raining. It's a bad day for me. I don't know if I'm lost. Yes. Guys, I think I'm on the right track. Yeah, so I'm trying to walk faster. Yeah, you can see it's very green over here. Yeah, you can see the green vegetation. Yeah guys, I think I'm about to reach there. Oh my god. Oh, I think I'm not lost. Yeah, I think their house is over there. Huh? There. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so guys, I'm still walking. Yeah, I know she's there, but it's drizzling. I'm tired because I was running. As you can see, I'm here with my friend. She will greet you, she will also tell you her name. Yeah, then we will head for our picnic. Nature walk.
Evening hangout.
Yeah, an evening hangout.
So hello guys, my name is Naomi and this is my friend. I'm happy to be here in her channel and have fun together with us.
Yeah, we are going to have fun. Yeah, short people having fun together.
I'm taller.
Yeah, you're taller.
Yeah.
With an inch. Yeah. So guys, we are heading for the
Let's
out.
enjoy together.
Evening hangout. Yeah. You can see it's very cold. Yeah, it was drizzling. But yeah, so guys, you can see there's something like a forest. Yeah, so we are heading to the satellite. So guys, you can see we are showing you around. You can see there are some mangoes. Oh, there are no mangoes. But you can see it's about to
flowering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hivyo si season ya maembe.
I always love this tree, but I don't know its name. It's
This tree?
name. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very green.
Leaves which are sharper like needle.
Also, you cannot climb that tree
No, it can't
because of the needle.
Okay, the leaves look like needle, but they're not sharp.
Oh. Also, this tree, it's good for some shade. Yeah, this one.
Somehow.
Yeah, guys, you can see the vegetation is very green. And guys, there are also some monkeys, but they do disappear because they fear people.
I doubt if you can find them right now.
Oh, they are deep in the forest.
Yeah. Plus these days the vegetation and the forest has been reduced. So it interfered with their habitat.
Oh. So there are no monkeys.
Yeah, right now you can't find them.
What about snakes?
Oh, snakes, I fear snakes. I don't even want to imagine seeing them right now.
But they are snakes. Especially in the desert area.
Yeah.
I mean where they are
But
drought.
our village is not a desert. We have a red village. The green village.
Yeah, guys, you can see it's very green, very beautiful. A good place for you to stay.
And have some walk.
And have some walk. You can buy a shamba. Yeah, it's not very expensive.
Half an acre goes for how much? Roughly? I have no idea.
About 20,000.
No, that must be a big joke.
Okay, maybe let's say 100K. How is this tree called?
100K.
The one that produces, how is this fruit called?
I also know, I think I know it in Madada.
Just say it.
Zambarau?
No.
Language?
Yeah. These are langua tree. Guys, you can see, but they are no languas. You know, people always steal because
name?
Still lakwat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it's lakwat or langwat. I don't know. Yeah, but guys, you know this tree. But when it produces, people steal because it's just on the way. Yeah, you can see these are road. Yeah, and people always poop. They add some manure to the langwat tree and it produces more and more. Yeah, so guys, you can see the satellites are over there. We are heading there. Yeah, you can see here it's a nice view. I think you can see it clearly from this angle. So guys, you can see the cows. They are ahead of us. Hey, one looks like not a friendly one. I think we have to run away.
Are you sure? Are
Eh,
you sure we should go there?
yeah, let us try.
Oh my god, me and cows were never friends.
Let us give it a try.
What
If they
do
chase
that?
us,
What if watufanyie ile kitu? They do us that thing.
So guys, you can see the disadvantages of living in a village area. You find cows on your way, then you don't know how to make them out of your way. Yeah, you can see they are trying to disappear, so they are afraid of us.
Not really. Not really, guys. I'm holding a cane in my hand. That's why they are disappearing.
Yeah, you can also see someone is digging. Yeah, he's on the banana plantation. Yeah, I told you there are very, very good shambas over here. You see the cow is still... Yeah, the cow is still following us. Maybe we are carrying some goodies. Yeah, you can hear that noise. It's for a donkey. Yeah, I think it's...
Can you try? Yeah, can you try producing that sound?
So that's how a donkey... How is that?
Kid is coming from school.
Yeah, you can
So
see
safe
there's a...
for the kids to walk around in our village.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So guys, you can see... so you can see that's a kid. She's out from school. Yeah, I will greet her. She will tell me where she's learning. Hello, ona sasa, hebu kuja kidogo. Achilia nguo. Umetoka shule? Unaitwa nani? Teddy Triza. Oh, unasomea wapi?
Ombo.
Ombo. Oh, so you are in class?
4.
Class 4. Oh, good girl. So umetoka shule saa hii? Oh.
I smile to the
Hebu
camera.
smile kwa kamera alafu useme bye.
Bye.
Good girl. Wow. So guys, you can see this is how the bricks are made manually. Yeah, without straining. Guys, you can see we still have a long way to go.
We are almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there, but it's... Okay, we are almost there, but we're still climbing the hill.
The road ahead is a sign that we are almost there. Tarmac.
Tarmac with 2 sides. Yeah, it's true.
And you can see the satellite is here almost.
Yeah, guys, I think you can see. Yeah, it's very clear. Yeah. Guys, you can see trees are all over the place. It looks very nice. It's more of a forest. Whew. Yeah, so guys, we are almost there.
There must have been some heavy vehicle which passed her. You see how it
Why?
has you can't see this.
Oh, yeah.
The stones are displacing. So there we are.
Yeah. You can see the place is very cool. Though it's raining.
Drizzling.
Yeah, it's drizzling.
It's not easy. It's not easy.
Yeah, you can see she's very tired. Ni mbali. We are almost there.
The last time I came here, this satellite was not here.
It was not here.
Yeah.
So this one was just built the other day.
Yeah, seemingly.
Oh. So guys, you can see there's a satellite here. Yeah, you can see. It's a new one. Yeah, you can see it.
Or I can't remember. Right? Maybe.
No, but I think there was a satellite here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay. So which side is it? This side?
We start with this side. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, you can see we are almost there.
The wind blowing them.
Yeah, so guys, you can hear the sound of the trees with the wind blowing them. It's a cool place. Cool place. A free place.
So I can see also something new compared to the last time that I was here.
What?
There is this red wire.
Which red wire?
Can't you see?
Yeah, I can see
There's
it.
the black electric wire.
Yeah, I can see
And
it.
the red wire. I don't know if it's for which connection.
Oh.
So guys, this place, it's not easy to understand unless you find someone who's
The wire thing.
Yeah.
Me, I'm just seeing something like rope, even not a wire. So I just know something called a satellite, but I don't know the connections. Eh?
and you don't know what specifically they are.
Yeah, I know nothing.
So maybe next time we wish or we hope we'll find somebody who has the better knowledge of these satellites. Tell us this is for this.
Yeah,
this particular thing.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So guys, you can see we are going to climb.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That courage.
Yeah, I'm going to climb. I'm going to take a good view. So I'm going to climb. How is it called?
I don't know.
Yeah, so guys, you can see we know nothing, but you can see those those things like strings. Yeah, so guys, you can see these things. I don't know how they are called
If you don't know the right term, actually it's difficult to
to
explain.
explain. Yeah, so we know nothing.
Yeah.
So we are going to get our answers there, over right there in that building. Oh, what it's in this?
Hopefully.
Oh, hopefully, because I'm not sure if those people are still there, because it's very late in the evening. So guys, you can see there are some houses, and here there's a good connection of the network.
See how tall this is?
Yes, it's very, very tall.
Wow.
Hey, if I climb here, then you make a slight mistake, you are dead.
There is a dish down there. You can
What is
show
that
them.
dish? Oh yeah, yeah, it's a big dish.
Yeah.
But we don't know the connectivity. Yeah, I think there's nobody. Guys, you can see it looks more of a fan.
So you remember the other ones that you saw the other side, seemingly they're connected to
Yeah,
this
yeah,
side.
guys, remember those things which I called strings? Yeah, you can see the connection is ending here. Yeah, those strings.
So you can only see through the gate. The gate is locked.
Oh,
Seemingly there is nobody inside.
oh my God.
Yeah.
We came through a long way and there's no one. Oh guys, you can see there's a padlock. A very, very big padlock. This is a disappointment.
The satellites, how they look.
But guys, you can see the satellites.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. So we don't have any answers because we found the gate locked. We are doomed. So we are going back without the answered question.
Next time.
But next time we'll come back again. Yeah, so guys, you can see a good view. There's nothing over there.
I don't think it's possible. But maybe we can try.
Go and see. Let's check out what's out there.
These things are just some nice view. Can you see them?
Yeah, you can see, by the way, there are too many. I just showed you one. Guys, you can see. If I see these things, I just think of a shock.
If you are
Electric shock.
engineer,
Mm.
you would understand them better.
Yeah, I would have understand. So I know nothing. I'm just seeing something like drums up there. Drums, yes, drums. I know nothing. Oh, it looks very cool. I wish I could climb up there and take a good view. Guys, you
Have
can
the
see.
view.
Oh, it looks very nice.
This one seems like solar panels.
It's very tall.
Oh my god. It sounds funny when you're blank over something.
Yeah, we know
Like these ones,
nothing.
they look like the solar panels, but you're not sure. These ones,
Very big sonar.
solars, yeah.
Kama useme solar moja. Yeah, so guys, you can see they look very big solars. We still have no answers to our questions.
This is the end. It's an electric fence. No, this is not electric fence.
Yeah, we've reached the end of the road.
So there are so many. How many? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 in one place. Seemingly these ones have the same purpose. I don't know. Or there is a way they are.
Connected.
Yeah. And then those ones also for another purpose. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it.
It seems that's the server room. Server room iko kwa IT.
Server could also apply here.
Yeah, not only on IT.
And there is
Yeah,
one view.
you can see a good view.
Actually, you can see the. So we are headed to the other set of satellites.
Yeah, it's a long way, not a long way.
Not so long from here. Not
Yeah.
so long away from here.
Yeah, you can see the road.
Yeah. So guys, just as we told you earlier, we are not even sure. We don't know. We don't understand which satellite serves what. So unless the next time we come here, we get somebody.
Yeah, we come very early in the morning.
At least will enlighten us a bit, and then we'll keep you enlightened as well. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But what I know is there is one for maybe the
Television.
media. Yeah, for television, for the network providers. That is Safaricom,
Yeah.
Airtel,
Yeah.
and there is also one for the radio stations, Royal Media.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what I know for the Ramogi, Citizen. So we don't know which is which. We'll make sure that we come and get the real idea about every satellite here next time, next visit.
Yeah. You can see that's our road from where we came from. So we are heading to the other satellites. But we
The last
know,
one.
yeah, but I think there's nobody.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, because we didn't find
Maybe
anybody
we
there.
came at the wrong time.
We're supposed to come at 3
Yeah,
or at 2.
but again, we are not sure when those two are available. Maybe we'll find out.
Yeah, we must come next time and still found it's locked.
Yeah, so we'll just find out what time they are available so that we don't come again and not find them. Do you know somebody can come here every day? Just take a walk.
Yeah, it's a free
Just clear your mind.
It's a free place.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hear the
And it's
natural
safe,
breeze.
And it's safe.
Really?
Yeah. I've never heard of any attack of anybody who has visited this place.
The way it's bushy,
Imagine.
I fear this place.
It's bushy but safe.
But you can't walk at night. Maybe during the daytime.
Yeah, just during the day.
They are
late
not.
in the evening.
Mhm.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
maybe early in the morning.
So there are no rape cases.
No, I've never heard of any. I've never heard of any. I don't know, but I've never heard.
So guys, you can see we are near. The place is very, very silent. My God. Very silent. We are the people making this over here.
Sorry.
Thank you.
There is a school here.
There's a school here.
What does this mean?
What? Something academy. The shelter. The shelter? Is this really a school?
It is. I'm not aware there is a school.
On this hill?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can see there is a toilet.
Yeah.
So if you want to relieve yourself, just run there.
And then the gate.
It's very cool.
Wow.
Imagine a school on top of a hill.
Kids of the
Yeah,
pupils.
you can see the playground. Oh, it's a nice place.
It's a
Very
serene
cool.
environment.
Yeah.
Wow. Then it's been long since I came this side. The last time I was here, there was no school.
There's no school.
There was.
Yeah, it seems very new.
Yeah.
Very new. Yeah, it's a nice
This
place.
is a development.
Yeah, you can see now this is a good view of the school. You can see how beautiful it is, but I think it has not been opened because I cannot see any student. There are no pupils.
It's a new school,
It's a new school.
I guess.
Yeah, so it's a very nice, beautiful school on top of a hill.
Actually, the name, just the shelter, has it all.
Yeah.
It's just some
Everything.
nice place.
A good playground. Maybe those are some offices down there. Oh, there's a second gate down there.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah.
the back gate.
Yeah. It's very nice.